Excellency President Vladimir Putin, Excellencies, the heads of the states and the heads of the governments, ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor and pleasure to address this august gathering of leaders assembled here today for the SCO summit. I am grateful to President Putin for the warm hospitality extended to me and my delegation. I would also like to express my deep appreciation to Mr. Dmitry Mezentsev, Secretary General, for his efforts to strengthen the organization. Distinguished participants, we are about to witness a turning point in the history of Shanghai Cooperation Organization as it initiates the process of inclusion of new member states, including India and Pakistan, into its ambit. I am confident that SCO's expansion would prove a watershed in the changing geopolitical landscape of the Eurasian belt. The basic principles of SCO's charter are sovereign equality of states, respect for territorial integrity, and mutual cooperation and security. The spirit of SCO abhors hegemony and coercion in international affairs. It is a consensus-based decision-making process which instills confidence in its members. President Putin has just presented an impressive summary of SCO's activities and of the new directions in which SCO is moving. Ladies and gentlemen, as an important member of SCO, Russia stands at the crossroads of Asia and Europe. President Putin's recent initiative to integrate the Silk Road economic belt with the Eurasian Economic Union will enhance the scope of economic outreach of SCO member states. In the economic field, President Xi Jinping's One Belt, One Road initiative is a pioneering effort. This blueprint of grand regional connectivity entails massive infrastructure and energy resource development with unparalleled economic dividends for our future societies. Pakistan attaches great importance to its full membership of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. We share with SCO and its member states deep-rooted historical and cultural links and strong economic and strategic complementarities. Our interests and objectives intersect across a wide range of areas and issues. Pakistan also offers critical overland and maritime routes for trade and energy connectivity within the SCO region and beyond. It provides a natural link for the SCO member states to connect the Eurasian heartland with the Arabian Sea. We believe that regional stability is the key to economic progress of nations. Peace in Afghanistan and Central Asia is crucial to regional connectivity and trade cooperation. Our region faces a volatile geopolitical environment. We have to confront the challenges of extremism, terrorism, and drug trafficking, which require a strong collective response. Our objectives of curbing extremism and enhancing border security are in line with those of the SCO. It provides a useful forum to Pakistan in promoting peace and stability in South Asia, Afghanistan, and Central Asia. Cordial and mutually beneficial economic relations with SCO member states will be our foreign policy priority. Excellencies, I wish to conclude by acknowledging that we, the SCO partners, have an ambitious agenda to achieve. We must ensure regional stability and further economic integration to realize our goals. We must work together to mitigate differences, resolve outstanding disputes, and create a favorable environment for the betterment of our peoples. This is how the true Shanghai spirit would be fully realized. May I also join other distinguished colleagues of mine and congratulate President Karimov of Uzbekistan for assuming the chairmanship of the SCO. Thank you.